Okay, so today I am making my no-bake energy bites. These have oats and flax in them, so they are not gluten-free, but they're very easy to make. We're going to mix all the ingredients, leave it in the refrigerator for an hour. At that time, we're going to take them out, make them into balls, leave them in the refrigerator. They can stay up to 7 days, and kids love them because it's easy, quick, they taste good. So we start off with 1 cup of dry oats. I use old-fashioned quick oats. 2/3 of a cup of coconut flakes. A 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Half a cup of flax. I like ground flax. Let's put this in a lot of things actually. You can use cacao chips or nibs. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of those in there. Third of a cup of raw honey. You can substitute agave if you prefer that. One tablespoon of chia seeds. And last but not least, 1 drop of doterra cinnamon oil. I'm gonna put an extra one in just for a little extra flavor. Stir it up, let it sit in the fridge for an hour, cover it, take it out. I prefer to use a baller just so that they're evenly sized, and you're all set.